Asamari tangu ku Franklin Mombasa, mtino mukazi usi. Ngo colleagues na probation. I'm a probation officer in the station here at Kisii. Tokoro Kisii Central Probation Office. Little yesterday. I say into anniversary 20 years as a officer at National Council for people with disability. Asama kenda tebe the body play a role and as a over you want about disability ba about overma. Moso say joma to koba kurukumo to remedy ba koba registered ne body and National Council. So number one calling about disabled koba registered na National Council ekadi yeko bakonya 70 binge mosakero muntanje bwate. Number two, among education also play a role and then saving to be education. The bus are into talk I want to be disabled but was on school and then chindi cha abaibodi but barete ataro mu bodi barete bus are nero kwa ya konyo mwana kero marete e bus are nero kana kwa ya wason again a grant nkero a grant nero kwa a full a sponsor food scholarship what's on the work wakora manganao yes school. Also National Council ya konya baremavu asoko ba chibesa tenda serikali yako ile tenda chibesa ndiro kwa hiyo ichekere kwanya ojo kwirani sitabo interest ite ndeke na saba mavu baliba kwate chonde zitire the study na boko enda wetenda na serikali na ile support na chibesa nebinte binge yani ngeto kwani bintaya kwa na bondiga ile tokone tunashukuru asali akonye and we hope for the best kuna ebinte binge mbintaya kwa bigocha bitwane tuko kuwa na litu ya